Hello everybody, this is my third video that I'm going to be making, and this one is an unboxing of Winner's newest album, Remember. This just came this morning, so it came very quickly considering I don't live in Korea. So yes, let's get onto it. As you can see, I ordered it from Kpop for You. I did the pre-orders when it was on because I wanted to get the free pre-order gifts. So hopefully that will be in here as well. Oh, that's very heavy. Oh, I also ordered another thing in here that I've just remembered and I have just seen. Now, if I can remember where I put scissors. So let's have a look. How big is this album? I actually have not watched any unboxings of this. Oh my god. Look how big. Look how big the album is. Oh my. So as you can see, I got both versions. These are the posters. Oh, I also have, I ordered that. I will look at that later. Oh, I have this came with that one, and then the two pre-order gifts. So let's move that out of the way. So let's look at the pre-order gifts first. So since I got two albums, I got the two cards. So I'll open up one to have a look. So I think I was saying before, but I actually ended up cutting myself off. I haven't watched any unboxings of this, so I don't actually know what the inside looks like. So this is quite exciting. So we have Yoon. Then on the back, I think these will all be the same pictures on the back. They are, yes. Minor, Jinwoo. And then we have, so these will be the same like in the other one as well. So I'm not going to open up the other one. Now this, I'm not that sure what this actually is. Oh, let's have a, oh my god. Oh, I didn't even realize I would get this. I didn't. Oh, and I got my bias as well. I got Jinwoo. Oh, what? I wasn't actually expecting this. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Wow. I'm very thankful that I got this. I'm going to put that back into the box. That's just completely shocked me. So let's go on to the albums. I have both versions right here. So let's start with the white version. Oh, actually, before we do that, quick look at the poster. Oh, very nice. So this is one side, and then so it's the same with all posters. The other poster looks very the same. Let's try not to break it. So it has the track list on the back. Okay, may not realize, but I did just pause that for a little while because you could hear both my dad and my brother downstairs being very loud, so I paused it just for a second. So again, we have the track list on the back. I love every single song on this album. It is probably my favorite album they've released. I love every single song. I've had them on repeat since last Thursday. Now this is the biggest album like that they have made, like in terms of like the size of the actual album like case, because if we compare it to the second album Every Day, which I've just got out, it's significantly bigger. And also for the mini album Cross, which was the last one they released, the difference in size is quite different. So let's have a look inside. Oh, it's got a mark on. I don't know if I've just like actually just done that onto it or if it's came like that. But also, if I haven't mentioned, this is the U version. The black one is the Us version. So let's open it. Oh, wow. Oh. So we have this, which you can open. I'll open that in a second. We have this Vibe gift card. Oh, this comes off. Oh wow. I don't know if this will like come up properly. Oh, you've just seen me. That's not good. I'm so sorry for you having to. I'm so sorry you've just like seen my face, but I don't know if this is like showing up well, but it essentially just has all of the tracks, lyrics, composers, and has a signature at the bottom. This is so cool. I've never actually seen anything like this in a K-pop album before. I absolutely love it. It's fantastic. I'm just gonna pop that to the side. So here, okay. Oh, so we have the CD. Pop that. Oh, there's Yoon's face popping out. Over here is lyrics for each of the songs. This is so cool. I've actually never seen anything like this before for an album. They've put so much work into this album. It's unreal. Like, I'm so proud of them for this album. It's honestly, I think, the best work they've done so far. So we have lots of pictures. So we have, this is Remember, all of the lyrics. It's like on a type of like glossy paper on this side, then quite smooth on this side. So we have Jinu, the lyrics for his solo. Milo, Hoon. I'll just quickly go through the photos. I adore this photo so much. It's one of my favourite photos they've taken as a group. Oh, so these are in difference in paper with these. These are more card type. Oh, what are these? Oh, so you can punch these out. Are these the photo cards? Are these type like photo cards? Oh wow. Oh, look at this. It's from when they did Love Me in Ireland, when they're in Hawaii. Oh wow. And blank on the back. try if I can put these back in properly. Now open this. Try not to rip the sticker. And have a look. Oh, letters from each member. Do we have Yoon's? I'm going to read these properly later, but this is Jinu's, Hooney, and Mino's. Oh, these are, they've put so much work into this album. It's honestly unreal how much like effort they've put in, and the fact that they can't promote this album because of them starting to enlist devastates me slightly, because I wanted to see at least one stage of them performing their songs, but can't always have everything. So this is the US version. I've got the plastic stuck on my hand. So again, we have the title track. Oh. So it is the same set out. So we have the Vibe gift card. I'm going to lean back so you don't see my face. But again, this clear acrylic, which has all their signatures along the bottom, all the tracks, who wrote, composed, arranged. We have the CD. Oh, the photos are different. I thought they would be different because they're different, like, covers. So again, has the lyrics on the back. This is the, like, smooth type material. I don't know how to smooth isn't a type of material, but like shiny. So we have Jinu. I love this photo. I haven't actually seen any of these photos before. Like I said, I haven't actually looked at any unboxings. I've tried to like steer clear of them. So, oh, it's like 2014 SS when they're all in line. Then we have Yoon's. This is on like the cardboard type, well, card type material. Wait. Oh no. No, they're the same. Yeah. We have Mino, Hooney, Group. Oh yes, these are the photo cards, these ones. So we get all of the members, and then I got Jinu! Oh, I'm so happy. He's my bias. Wow. I love the pink hair on him. I really wish they would bring that back. Well, when he comes out of the military, hopefully he can go back to having pink hair, because it was a look. So, again, pop if I can, very gently. It's not going to go back in. So we have all the lyrics down the side, and this is from this album. It will be the letters once again. Pretty sure they will be the same. I have just realised that Yoon's goes on to the other side. Do all of them? Hoonie's does. So only Yoon and Hoonie both go on to the other side. So I'm going to put that back in. And try and put them back in very nicely. No, stay. So that was the Remember album with the pre-order gifts of the photo cards and the special edition that I did not know would be in here, the chocolate. And I got Jinu's, so I'm very ecstatic about that. And now I need to figure out where I'm going to be putting these posters. That should be a fun thing to do. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I didn't ramble on too much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to, but it would be much appreciated, and I will see you again soon.